All right. So we have found one more Coca-Cola derivative that we're going to cover. Since we're already covering the lot, might as well cover this one as well. It's funny how the TSE exchange has a Coca-Cola derivative that's peaking out with a profit margin that's declining, while simultaneously having a different derivative that's bottoming out and has better prospects simultaneously. It's almost like these shells move money directly out of one derivative into another derivative, and it's a cycle that repeats quite often. Let's further investigate this topic. Too many monitors to keep track of. You guys want to quickly browse the interwebs? In our Discord, we have access to the official RSS feeds for a variety of different news outlets. Let me just quickly flip through some of those so you can see. If you join the Discord, you have access to all of this for free. It's free, guys. See right here in this section. Come over here, we have news alerts. You can go to Guardian News, for example. Again, this is their official feed. Let's just see quickly what they're talking about today. What's today's hot topic? We got Fox News. BBC. Skip to current. Again, today posted at 10 a.m. These are constantly going, guys. You can manage your alerts individually for what news outlets you see fit and want to be notified about. But yeah, we have all the information you could possibly want available in the Discord, being updated regularly, automatically, from official RSS feeds. Here's CNBC. CNBC can be a little annoying because they release a news article for every 5-minute candle, it feels like. Again, if there's anything in here that I'm going to quick through, I'm just quickly showing you guys a brief overview of what we have available here. You can pause the video if there's anything that catches your eye. And again, you could join the Discord and click on any of these various news articles and read them for yourself. We got Seeking Alpha. Looks like they're talking about Procter and Gamble. Virgin Galactus falls as UBS downgrades to sell following delays. Terrible company. I don't even know why they talk about it. PNC. Then we got PLD. So we have all these various news articles available in the Discord, so feel free to go and browse to your heart's content. We also have market quotes updated hourly, every day, during market hours. We got foreign exchanges every day, updated hourly. This one was in beta. It's not working how I wanted it to, so that one's just kind of cut off right now. But yeah, all of this is available in the Discord. It's free, guys. It's free. Join the Discord. It's available at my website, ethanwrenn.com, or it's available below this video, wherever you might be watching it. In the description of YouTube, in the description of my Twitter channel, you can find links to the Discord, and you can be viewing all this information as well as sharing your preferred stocks with our community and see where we can take each other. Interest rates, these update every Monday, as you can see here. Freshly posted from today. Monitors any changes over time. Unemployment rates. Was there a change? Nope. But again, all this is available at your fingertips. All you guys need to do is join the Discord. We also have market alerts. This is if you want to be alerted when the U.S. stock exchange are opening and closing. We have that. Today's popular stocks. I believe I have this updated at hourly as well, or it's daily. Today's top gainers and losers. Again, I'm going quick. You guys can pause or watch the VOD if you guys are interested. Look at these dumpster fires. But yeah, I'm just familiarizing you guys with the Discord. This is also I don't know if it's really beta anymore. I feel like it works pretty confidently at the moment. For example, when you click into here, it's going to show you a chart. This chart is going to be updated every time you click into these channels for the first time after booting your computer. Or if you were to like close Discord and reopen Discord and then click into one of these channels, it's going to be taking the current price at that exact moment when you click into that channel for these charts. And I don't think it'll change until you like refresh your Discord. So these are weekly charts, so that's perfectly fine. Because there's not going to be much of a change within a 24-hour period. Again, it's a weekly chart. If one day makes or breaks you, probably wasn't that great of an investment to begin with. But yeah, as you can see here, bonds a little bit of a slump, rates. We have multiple VODs about bonds available on YouTube. Make sure to go check those out if you haven't already. And yeah. So as for this is the 5th Coca-Cola derivative we've covered. And I would say it's kind of at a resistance, looking a little bearish. So 3 out of 5 of the Coca-Cola derivatives I would say are bearish. This one has a 1.45% dividend, slightly lower than the derivative that had 2%, but higher than the one that had the 0.25%. You know, we're really weighing these pros and cons of whether you want your Coke from one country or another country. As we see here, we have our sin wave. Best case scenario for the bears, they get a 54% move to the downside with ticker 2573 on the TSE exchange. Again, dwindling profit margins going from 3.36% in 2017. In 2018, it was 2.52%, and in 2019, it was 2.57%, and in 2020, moved all the way down to 1.63%, barely hanging in there during that COVID time. But yeah, let's move on from Coca-Cola. We're done with that for today.